Hey, good morning guys. So today I'm going to make a corned beef brisket, and what I'm going to do is I'm cutting it up right now to put it in the crock pot, and this is how I do it. It makes a pretty good meal. The family likes it, and wash my hands. I always make my own little seasoning packets. So here we go. Sorry about having my back to you. So what I do is I don't even put any water in it. Is I take sauerkraut, and of course we just made sauerkraut the other day. We had ran out, so we had to buy some. And I just dump the sauerkraut in with the corned beef. And I got 2 bags. And this is the barrel cured sauerkraut by Silver Floss. And it is 2 pounds. So I've got 4 pounds of sauerkraut in here. So you know my family likes sauerkraut. Alright, so that water from the sauerkraut, I got some mustard seeds, some bay leaves, and I don't measure, which I've told y'all about plenty of times. I just go to it. And these bay leaves came from my friend Eileen. A little bit of Outerwood salt. Just a little bit. If you don't have that, don't worry about it. Just use salt. Just happen to have it. A couple of crushed red peppers. You don't want too many of those. Some caraway seed, which looks like little teeny tiny seeds. And some fennel seeds, or some people call them anise. All this seasons up really well. And of course these are the peppercorns. And I sprinkle them pretty generously because they get really soft in the cooking. So I go ahead and put it on high, probably about 6 to 8 hours. And I'm also going to put some potatoes in here, but I'm not going to put the potatoes in yet because I don't want them too mushy. I'll put the potatoes in about maybe 2 hours from now and let it go, and we'll come back and we'll show you how it looks. So now you can see how it looks inside the crock pot, and that it's on high. And you always want them, once you plug it in, and check it, because times that my husband thought it was plugged in. I'm going to throw that out there, my husband. And it's getting hot, so you know that's going to work. Alright guys, I'll be back. Guys, I'm going to wash the potatoes now and get ready for those. I wanted to show you this little brush that I bought from Whole Foods. It's a great, my other one had burned up in the dishwasher. Thanks, Colby. But anyways, this is really a nice brush, and it even gets rid of the little eyes. So it came from Whole Foods. I'm gonna go ahead and add these potatoes. I've already cleaned and washed them. And I just do this. And if you want to cut them up, you can.
Oh yeah.
Ooh, my favorite dinner. Sauerkraut. Guys, so it's been 10 hours now. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this out.